Finding legit remote jobs in tech can feel like a maze, especially when all you hear are the same big company names. That's why I pulled these four together. They're remote friendly, actively hiring, and the roles go beyond just engineering. If you're looking for something stable, flexible, and real, let's get into it. First up is Zipco, a modern fintech company helping people manage their spending more intentionally, with tools that offer flexibility, not more debt. While they're headquartered in Australia, they've built out strong remote teams in the US, with hybrid options available for their teams based in Australia and New Zealand. They're hiring across areas like data and analytics, customer experience, and engineering. Salaries range from $59,000 to $165,000, depending on the role and experience level. Perks include 20 days PTO, 401k matching, learning and wellness stipends, and 100% employer-covered insurance, with a flexible working culture that prioritizes life balance alongside growth. So if you've worked in fast-paced environments and know how to bring structure to moving parts, Zipco might be worth exploring. Next is Red Panda, and no, not the Disney one. They're building a faster, simpler way for tech teams to handle real-time data without jumping through hoops. They've got a fully remote team spread across 17 plus countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, and Greece. And they hire in areas like engineering, customer success, and sales. Salaries range from $175,000 to $260,000, depending on the role and experience level. The remote setup here isn't just an afterthought, it's built into how they work. And the perks reflect that. 401k matching, home office stipends, unlimited PTO, and the kind of flexibility that actually supports focus. So if you've worked with SaaS tools, contributed to open source projects, or just enjoy simplifying systems that feel a little too messy, Red Panda might be worth a look. Now, for a name you might not recognize, Webflow. This no-code website builder has quietly become a major player in the design and dev world. They're hiring remotely in areas like sales, product, and engineering. For roles based in the US, select parts of Canada like British Columbia and Ontario, and international locations including the UK and Ireland. Depending on the role, location, and experience level, salaries stretch from around $154,000 to $308,000. Perks include flexible PTO, equity, monthly wellness stipends, and a $500 office setup bonus, with remote-first policies that support how people actually live and work. If you're the kind of person who gets excited about building tools that make life easier, and you don't mind moving fast to do it, you'll probably find your people at Webflow. Finally, there's Figma, the company quietly powering the design behind most of the digital experiences you interact with daily. They've got global reach and hire remotely across countries like the US, the UK, and Canada. They're hiring in areas like design, business operations, and engineering. Salaries range from around $98,000 to $338,000, depending on the role, location, and experience level. Perks include equity, generous PTO, wellness benefits, learning stipends, and company-wide recharge days, plus support for your home office and future family planning. If you've worked on cross-functional teams or helped shape user experiences from idea to launch, Figma's collaborative setup will feel like second nature. 4 companies, each with their own take on remote work, but all of them get that good people don't come from one path. Whether you're drawn to helping people manage money, making design accessible, or building better digital experiences, there's room for you in tech. So if the job hunts felt like a never-ending maze of sketchy listings and ghosted applications, you're not alone. But companies like these, they're a reminder that there's real work out there. And when you know where to look, it stops feeling like a maze and starts feeling more like a path. Your skills matter more than your resume. Your curiosity matters more than your last job title. Remember, your remote career starts here. Bet on yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.